Ready to unlock those premium Valorant skins and battle passes using your Apple gift card? First, make sure that Apple gift card is redeemed into your Apple account. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either use your device's camera to scan the gift card or enter the code manually, then tap Done. You should now see the gift card balance added to your Apple account. Keep in mind that you can only use the balance associated with a US Apple ID. Now, launch Valorant on your PC. Navigate to the Valorant store within the game. Select the amount of Valorant Points, or VP, you wish to purchase. Since Valorant doesn't directly accept Apple gift cards, the purchase will process through Apple Pay using your Apple account balance. Confirm the purchase with your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password, and with that, you should be all set. Enjoy your new skins and battle pass, and get ready to dominate. This is how you can use your Apple gift card for Valorant.